Yes, you read it right. Midjourney is awesome, but it doesn't create videos. Well, Pika Labs does that for you, and it's totally free. You can create a small video from scratch or animate your own images. Let me show you how. Here are some amazing examples. At the end, I'll show you more. In just a few easy, quick steps, you'll do amazing creations. Let's dive in. First, follow the link in the description. You'll get into Discord, then have a look at the menu. Send a hi to everyone. Move on to one of their generation rooms because this is where the magic happens. Let's start. Click this bar and click on Create. Write your prompt and hit Enter. While you wait, you can have a look at other people's creations or write some more prompts. The next option is my favorite, so click on this bar again and click on Animate, then upload your photo. Happy with it? Download it, if not remix it, and that's it. Here are more examples. Pretty simple and quick, right? I love it. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best tools out there. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.